Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be showing you my weekly cleaning routine. Now, I don't only unload and load the dishwasher on a weekly basis, but this is usually where I start for any cleaning routine is in the kitchen because that is the first thing you see when you walk through my house. So first of all, I'm just going to unload the dishes that I cleaned last night and then load the dishwasher back up before I start cleaning the rest of my house. Today's video is sponsored by Grove Collaborative, and if you are a new customer to Grove, you will be able to get all of these products that I am showing here for free with a $20 purchase. So if you click on the link below, it will take you to their website where you can pick out each of these products in your own scent if you prefer. These are the hand soap, the hand lotion, as well as the dish soap, and a scrub brush for doing dishes. So if you are interested in signing up for Grove, definitely check out the link below and get you some of these amazing products all for free. So once I am done unloading and loading the dishwasher, I will use my Leach Pro spray cleaner. I love to use this in my Grove Collaborative microfiber cloth to clean out my stainless steel sink. Using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray in the scent Mint to help clean off my granite countertops. I don't have any problems using this on my countertops. I feel like it does a wonderful job of getting things clean and also helping my house smell so good. So I'm just going to drop a few little wax melts into my Scentsy warmer. My mother-in-law actually got this for me for Mother's Day, and I absolutely love the way it smells up my entire house. So cleaning off the stovetop is actually one of my least favorite chores to do. However, it's one of the most important because it's black and it shows a lot of crumbs or dust or what have you. So I always have to make sure that I clean this at least once a week. As often as possible, I like to throw the cushion covers in the washer. My kids are notorious for spilling chocolate milk or Cheetos or anything all over the cushions, so I make sure that I try to unzip them, take them off, and throw them in the washer at least once a week, if not bi-weekly. I get this question a lot, so I might as well go ahead and answer it here, but my couch is from the Pottery Barn outlet. Before I started filming, I went ahead and washed my husband and I's sheets. I am still breastfeeding, so I tend to get breast milk on the sheets, or Cash will spit up on the sheets. So I do try to wash them at least once a week. cover off of our comforter and go ahead and wash that. It had some chocolate milk stains and who knows what else on it, so I try to wash that as well as often as possible. I'm just going to vacuum our room. I love vacuuming. It's one of my favorite chores. I feel like it's just so satisfying. And every time I turn on the vacuum, Carter gets so excited. I don't know what it is about vacuuming that he loves so much, but you will see that as a trend throughout this video. So now I'm just vacuuming Carter and Sydney's room. Carter just jumped down from the top bunk, and I think he likes to pretend like the vacuum is some kind of monster where he's trying to attack it. But Cash is now awake, so as you will see, I have strapped him to myself in the tuck and bundle wrap, and I just continue cleaning. I will run a quick mop over our tile, and I'm just using the Method floor cleaner. I love this because it doesn't need to be diluted and I just spray it as I go. So now I'm just going to clean off the kitchen table. I do this at least once a week, if not more, and Carter is actually going to help me. He loves to spray while I wipe down the table. Just dumping the table runner into the sink to get any crumbs off of there, and I will wash it if it needs to be washed or if someone spilt something on it and it's stained, but it's pretty clean for now, so I'm just going to put the rest of the table decor back on the table. About to vacuum the living room, and I'm just tying my shorts, but I had to include this because Carter is aimlessly running circles around me constantly, and I thought it was just too funny to take out of the video. Helper. He asked me if he could vacuum off the couch, and I said of course. I love showing my boys how to be helpful around the house, and I'm sure that their future wife will thank me one day. On the cushions in the living room, I'm just going to clean their bathroom. I'm using this Method antibacterial bathroom cleaner to clean off the sinks. Glass and surface spray to clean off their bathroom mirror. And now I'm just using some antibacterial wipes to wipe down the outside of the toilet. if he could clean out the toilet. So he is using my favorite, the Clorox toilet wands. All you have to do is pop in the little scrubber at the end. It is so easy to do, and once you're done, you just pop it right off. And as you can see, it's even easy for kids to do.
I apologize for everything.
Once a week, I like to take the sheets off of the kids' bed and wash them and replace them with new sheets. That is what I'm doing with Cooper's crib right now. And yes, it is backwards because it keeps him from climbing out of the crib. And this is Carter and Sydney's bunk beds. So I'm just taking off the comforter and pillowcases off of their bed. These are Betty's beds, and if you're interested in purchasing some, they zip up on the sides, which are amazing for bunk beds. So if you're interested, I will leave them in a link below. We are back to the kitchen and doing my least favorite part of my weekly cleaning routine, which is cleaning out the microwave. I don't know why I hate it so much, I just do. I find it really disgusting. So I'm just using my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray to clean it out, and then I will wash the little glass part in the sink. Covers and couch cushion covers are all clean, and I'm just going to put them back on. So that is it for my weekly cleaning routine. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the link in the description box below for Grove Collaborative, where you can get all of these products for free if you are a new customer. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye.